They're chocolate crinkle cookies.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody
Listen,
said, yeah.
They're
like
like, oh, bringing in the big guns.
Yeah. Because they're like a cookie, but they're also like chewy and fudgy. It's like a brownie cookie almost.
Brownie
which is why I love them.
cookies, yes.
So we're gonna mix them up in a bowl. You don't even need a mixer for this. You can just do it right in a regular old bowl. So we have some cocoa powder, a little bit of flour, some salt, which we don't need to sift that, I don't think. I'll put that on the side. And then our spices. So I have some cayenne pepper, because we're gonna make them nice and spicy. These are hot chocolate crinkle cookies.
love hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Crinkle cookies.
They look like crinkle cookies, but they got some kick, mama.
They got some hot going on.
So a little bit of ground cinnamon and a little bit of cayenne. And then we whisk that up. And then will you just, oh, let me keep whisking, sorry. Will you just like make a little well in there with that spoon?
Yes.
Because we're gonna make the dough in that bowl right there. So then over here I have some eggs, 2 eggs.
Did I make my well enough for you?
Yeah, looks great.
Get this out of your way, Santa's helper, Grant.
Thank you.
So you can see what you're doing.
And then I forgot to add the sugar in here. This recipe is going really well. So I forgot to add the sugar in this. We're just gonna mix that up, and then we make our well.
It's all the pre-baking alcohol.
I had 1 sip of that Prosecco, and I'm out of here. I forgot this too.
I think this one's mine.
This is baking powder.
Baking powder and sugar also into the spicy hot chocolate cookie mixture.
Then we make a well, pour in our wet ingredients, and then you just use a spatula, and you mix it up. Yeah, go for it. She's ready with her spatula.
Awesome.
And then once it's all mixed up, I like to chill this one too, since it's made with.
Oh, so this is a waste of time.
Yeah, a big waste of time. Since it's made with oil instead of butter, you want to make sure it's chilled so it gets nice and firm.
Whoops.
And that's what keeps it really
didn't
fudgy.
see that. Now I'm rolling hot chocolate balls.
Hot spicy ones. So then you have to roll them in your sugar. So then you roll them in the sugar.
Oh, you put it in the sugar first? I thought you sprinkled at the end. Oh, but it wouldn't crinkle then.
And then it crinkles when it bakes.
Right. Oh, that's awesome.
So you coat them in your powdered sugar, pop them
Yeah,
on your
you
sheet
do.
tray. You pop those guys in the oven for just a couple minutes, and then they look like this. Hot chocolate crinkle cookies.
Ta-da!